In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Moose Rapid mount plow system for ATV. This can all be done in a matter of minutes. First thing you will need to do is line up your plow attachment and receiver on the ATV. Drive forward slowly until you hear and/or feel the receiver hit the plow attachment bracket. Grab the bottom of the attachment bracket with one hand and the easy release handle with the other. Pull the easy release handle up and then pull the plow attachment bracket up. Release the handle when the pins touch the sides of the bracket. Pull the plow attachment bracket up until the two pins click into place. You should be able to hear them click when seated properly. Release your winch cable until you have enough slack to make it down past the pulley wheel. Pull the retaining cotter pin on the looped end and pull out the pin from the pulley. This will allow you to pull the pin from the pulley wheel. Slide the winch cable onto the pulley wheel and then push the pulley wheel back into place. Once into place, insert the pin and then secure it with the retaining cotter pin. Use your winch to raise the Moose plow and ensure it goes up and all the connections have been properly made.